after the India trip, I'm back to Boston. Just the feeling of being home, like literally not doing anything, not thinking or worrying about anything at all, spending time with family, parents, friends, everything was so damn fulfilling and comforting in its own way. But at the same time, I'm also very happy and grateful to be back. And yeah, that was sort of my annual reset, which is now completed, and now I'm back onto work and back onto daily stuff and routine also. This time I went back home for really short period of time, but I'm glad that I could at least go. This time when I was leaving home and coming back, I just had so many feelings and emotions within me, because next time when I go back home is just going to be so much different, because maybe I'll be a bride to be by then, and just overall there are just so many changes, and all of these changes are unseen that are coming in 2026. So I'm kind of nervous, but yeah, just for now taking one day at a time and not stressing about it a lot.
A few moments later.
So it's time to light up the Christmas tree. I got the Christmas tree and it's right over here. Also got some ornaments to decorate up. Also, it's gonna be my first ever Christmas tree that I'm putting together. Actually, I did once when I was very small, like literally a kid. But as an adult, it's gonna be my first ever Christmas tree and I'm super excited for it. Finally done decorating and putting up the Christmas tree together, and honestly it turned out to be way better than what I expected it to be. Let me show it to you guys. So that's how it's looking like, and it's just so perfect. Like even the elements and the ornaments are just perfect the way they are. I didn't want to overdo it at all. The red, golden and the green tree is just coming all together so well. Yeah, I'm loving it and literally so happy with the way it turned out to be. It's the Christmas Eve and I'm wearing this red sweater, which I think is gonna be perfect for today evening. Yeah, setting all the vibes for Christmas. Okay, at the Boston Commons right now, and this place is looking just so different with all the Christmas feels. Like this place is literally so different during all the different seasons, and for Christmas it is so nicely lit up. Walking towards the Boston Common Christmas tree now, and it's super cold, but we are still gonna make it there.
A few moments later.
Right now I have come to drink tiramisu milk tea from this very famous boba place which is called Haiti. Haiti is one of my favorite places to come for boba tea, but they just launched this new tiramisu milk tea which I'm super excited to try it out. Look at the color, look how stunning it's looking, and I just cannot wait to try it out. So good, oh my god. It's so good. If you love tiramisu and if you love milk tea, then you need to try this out. It's 100 on 10. Okay, it's Christmas morning finally, and guess what? I woke up to few gifts and presents right below my Christmas tree, and honestly, this is making me feel like a kid again. Gifts and presents, and did Santa really come in? I don't know, but I'm so excited to open these up now. Look at it, it's packed so nicely, and I cannot wait to open it now. Here, Santa. Santa, come! Okay, Santa is asking me to guess the gifts first before I open it. Is it some jewelry?
Yes, you're right.
I'm right? Oh my god. Oh, how cute. Look at that. It's such a cute necklace. It has two hearts over here, and it's just so thoughtful. Next gift.
Yes.
Is it a bag? Is it something to wear?
Yes.
Yay!
But where?
Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna open it now. I got home slippers. I've been looking to change my existing one for the longest time, and I finally got it. It's gonna be my new daily wear. It has such cute little bows over here. I'm obsessed. It's time to open the last gift now, and I need to guess it before, right?
Yes.
Is it a bathrobe?
No.
Is it a sweater? It's so cold. I don't mind a heated blanket. But ये ठंडी resistance के लिए.
नहीं. अंदर.
Can I open?
Yeah.
Pass. What is it?
What is it?
No, I wear a small or a medium, but
This is S.
yeah, if it's S, then it should fit me. It's a Lululemon zipper, guys. Cute sort of tote bag also that came with it. Finally making it to Snowport today, and I'm all ready and set to leave, and that's what I'm wearing. I really love the pearls that this top has. Also, I'm gonna carry my scarf, and then I do have gloves also with me because it's that time of the year when you cannot step out of your house unless you are layered up. Like right now also I'm already wearing 2 layers, and then I'm definitely gonna wear a jacket on top of this, and then also got my essentials here with me. Even though I have been to Snowport literally every single year since the time I moved to Boston, it's still a very nice holiday and a Christmas market to go to, especially during this time of the year. Finally reached Seaport, and the Snowport is right over here. It was so difficult to find a parking because it's a Saturday evening today, but luckily we were able to find a spot after lot of struggle. But we are here, and now it's time to go inside and check the winter market out. Just got back in the car after visiting Snowport, and it is so damn cold outside. I'm literally freezing. The temp outside is -6 degrees Celsius. It's freezing, but the experience of Snowport is never ever disappointing. And this time we also tried a lot of food over there, which we really sort of enjoyed. Also tried this hot chocolate in a croissant from Lacan. Honestly, it's delicious and really good hot chocolate that I have had in a while. So yeah, highly recommend trying the hot chocolate. And we also had the cheese pasta. So both of them were really yum, and yeah, highly recommend eating that if you ever visit Snowport.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's been some while, and after opening the gifts and the presents today morning, it was just such a different kind of feeling because I don't remember the last time I got any sort of gifts during Christmas, and it was just a different kind of nice feeling to have this. Honestly, when I saw the gifts under the Christmas tree in the morning when I woke up, it literally felt like I am a kid again. Of course, as kids, you believe like Santa comes and he keeps the gift and things like that. As adults, you know there's nothing like real Santa who comes and keeps those gifts, but yeah, still, it's so fulfilling in a way because I wasn't expecting it at all. And yeah, that's just how it works, like when you aren't expecting anything and then like you get such gifts or presents, it's just a different kind of feeling it is, and I'm super grateful for that. Also, this was like my first actual Christmas here in Boston. I know it's not been like way too long since I started living here in Boston, but I really wanted to go to like New York for Christmas. But then, like, I have already been there once during Christmas, and also, like, this time it's way too cold, like unexpectedly more colder than it usually is. And then like I was just coming back from India, sort of like settling in, so cancel that plan. But I'm glad, like, at least I could go around so many places here in Boston and experience the Christmas over here, which was a really nice feeling. Also, here is wishing you guys a very Merry Christmas, and I really hope you guys had some amazing time with your family and loved ones. Alright, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, you already know the drill. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here or if you haven't already, because that always means a lot. As always, stay happy, be kind, and keep spreading love. And now I shall see you in the next one. Bye.